the activities that the Kurdistan Center for International Law has organized over the course of the last week on the topic of accountability for international crimes for different justice actors and different actors in Kurdistan, namely the members of parliament, the judges and prosecutors, defense and other lawyers, as well as the armed forces, Peshmerga, are essential, vital activities to ensure that victims of these heinous crimes will obtain some sort of justice for what has happened to them. However, this 1 week of activities, of trainings, is only the start, hopefully, of further investment, not only from civil society organizations such as the Kurdistan Center for International Law, but also from Kurdish authorities to ensure that the process is started and that the process will be completed successfully and fairly. Only like this can we ensure that the crimes of the past will not be again repeated.